Before buying a choke for dove hunting, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Real Avid FINI Shotgun Tool. The Real Avid FINI Shotgun Tool is a must-have for any dove hunter. Priced at just $11.99, this compact tool caught my eye because of its multiple functions. If you want to easily adjust your choke tubes and enhance your shotgun's performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This universal choke wrench allows you to change choke tubes quickly, optimizing your shotgun for various hunting situations, whether it's dove, duck, or even home defense. It fits all gauge sizes from .410 to 10 gauge, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, it's weather-resistant, which means you don't have to worry about rust ruining your gear when you're out in the elements. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 2,400 reviews, it's clear that this tool delivers on its promises. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small. Here's the thing though, while it may feel lightweight in your hand, it's designed to be portable and fit in your pocket or shotgun case. If you don't mind a tool that's easy to carry, it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're an on-the-go hunter who values convenience and functionality. Skip this one if you prefer a more heavy-duty tool that feels more substantial in hand, but for the price, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if the compact size of the Real Avid tool concerns you, the next product on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Primos Hunting Dove Call. Next up is the Primos Hunting 362 Dove Call, priced at $11.99. This simple yet effective call caught my attention because it's easy to use and specifically designed for attracting doves. If you want to increase your chances of a successful hunt, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this dove call is its effectiveness during both morning and afternoon hunts. It mimics the sounds doves make, creating a more inviting environment for them. The compact design means you can easily carry it with you without taking up space, and the 4.4-star rating from over 700 reviews shows it's appreciated by hunters for its reliability. Now, some users mentioned that it might require a bit of practice to get the hang of it. Here's the thing though, once you learn how to use it properly, it becomes an invaluable asset in your hunting kit. It's definitely not a deal breaker if you're willing to put in a little effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your dove hunting experience and attract more birds. Skip this one if you prefer more sophisticated or electronic calls, but for its simplicity and effectiveness, it's hard to go wrong with this call. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for setting up your hunting area. Product number 3, Mojo Outdoors Dove Decoys. Next is the Mojo Outdoors Premium Waterfowl and Duck Hunting Decoys, priced at $19.99. These decoys really stood out to me because of their realistic appearance and ease of setup. If you want to create an inviting spread for doves, this is definitely worth a serious look. These hard-body decoys come with detailed paint patterns that look convincing from a distance, which is crucial for attracting birds. The clip-on mount lets you attach them easily to branches or wires without any tools, and with a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 800 reviews, it's clear these decoys are doing their job well. Now, some users expressed concerns about durability in windy conditions. Here's the thing though, while they perform best in calm weather, the realistic look they provide can often outweigh this minor issue. Just be mindful of your hunting conditions and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking to make your hunting area more appealing to doves without a lot of hassle. Skip this one if you're in very windy areas or need something extremely durable, but for the price and effectiveness, they're a great addition to your gear. Now, if the durability of the Mojo decoys is a concern for you, the next product takes a different approach. Product number 4, Lucky Duck Dove Decoys. The Lucky Duck clip-on dove decoys is next, priced at $24.99. I was drawn to these decoys due to their innovative design and realistic look. If you want something that adds versatility to your setup, this is worth a serious look. These decoys can be clipped onto fences or branches and come with a metal ground stake, providing flexibility in placement. They're lightweight and easy to carry, which is great if you're hiking to your spot. Plus, the 4.6-star rating from 473 reviews speaks to their effectiveness in attracting doves. Now, some users pointed out that they can be a bit small compared to other decoys. Here's the thing though, their size actually makes them easier to transport, and when paired with other decoys, they create a fuller spread that draws in doves effectively. It's not a deal breaker if you're willing to mix them in. This is perfect for you if you like a lightweight and flexible approach to decoying. Skip this one if you're looking for larger decoys or a more permanent solution, but they offer great value for the setup. Lastly, if you want a choke tube that really enhances your performance, my final pick might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, Carlson's choke tubes. Finally, we have Carlson's choke tubes for Beretta and Benelli, priced at $58.61. What caught my eye here is the advanced technology that claims to improve your shot accuracy. If you're serious about your dove hunting, this is worth a serious look. This white-winged dove choke features Carlson's exclusive triple shot technology, which helps reduce pellet deformation and gives you denser patterns. It's made from durable stainless steel, ensuring it lasts through tough hunting conditions. With a high 4.8-star rating from 64 reviews, it's obviously a favorite among serious hunters. This is crucial because the right choke can significantly enhance your shooting performance. Now, some users mention that it's on the pricier side compared to other options. Here's the thing though, investing in a quality choke can make a real difference in your success rate, especially if you're dedicated to the sport. It's worth the price if you want that extra edge. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced hunter looking to maximize your performance on the field. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget, but for the quality and results, it can be a game changer in your hunting gear. To wrap up, we've looked at some solid options for dove hunting. The real Avid FINI shotgun tool, the Primos dove call, the Mojo Outdoors decoys, Lucky Duck decoys, and Carlson's choke tubes. Each has its own strengths, whether you need versatility, effectiveness, or performance enhancement. Choose the one that best fits your hunting style and enjoy a more successful season out there.